look like shit. And that's Quinn.
We're here.
Say hi.
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 I don't know what you're talking about. I don't feel bad.
Yeah, you did. Anyways, this is just a little update on life, I guess. I'm homeless. Yay! I'm actually staying at my friend's dad's house right now, and Quinn is his brother.
Brother?
Yeah.
That's true.
Your Ray's brother?
Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Derp. Duh.
I feel stupid.
Yeah, pretty much. That's the weirdest look I think I've ever given. I'm making a video on YouTube.
I wanna kill some random people.
You're what?
Yeah, I'm gonna kill some
That's a
random
wonderful
people.
thing to say while on video games.
Hey, Quinn, do you have homework? Homework?
Yeah, do you have homework?